Hello guys, welcome back to Call Me Mariam. So today I'm making a mini fridge for my toddler. I mean not my toddler. I'm gonna make it for Lily because she has been begging me to make it.
Mommy, can you please make a pink fridge for me?
Okay, sure. I mean it's not going to be exactly pink, but I'll make it as possible as cute.
What? This is so unfair. I want a pink.
No. I'll get you a mini fridge, but not a pink one.
Mommy, buy me a pink one. Fine, okay.
Okay, then I'm just gonna go to your room. Well, I already buy that mini fridge for you.
Oh yeah, but it's not a pink one as I wanted, but it's okay, whatever.
You literally opened your fridge. My God. I'm just gonna take your fridge out. Okay, I'll try to make it pink.
You better make it pink.
I have this pink red.
It's brown, but okay. It's kind of similar.
I'll make it teal blue. That's cute. Okay, well, I have to buy you stuff, by the way. Well, I already did, but whatever. I buy you these drinks from Starbucks, so you better like them.
Oh, I love Starbucks.
And look at this cute candle I got.
Mom, did you buy a cappuccino or latte?
I bought a matcha latte.
A matcha latte?
Yep.
I love those.
I got so many chocolates and so many juice.
I love those truffle ones.
Those are the ones I buy.
Mommy, I need some treats.
I did buy you some Twix.
Oh, thank you.
I have some yogurt for you.
Mommy, I want Greek yogurt.
I did buy you Greek yogurt.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. So now,
Lily, what do you want right now?
I want chips.
okay, fine. I'll go to the grocery store and buy some chips.
Okay, thank you.
Let me see if they in the grocery store.
Mommy, for me also.
Okay. Okay, Jasmine, I will buy it for you.
Okay, sure, thank you.
I don't think so. They have any chips in stock.
Oh,
Mommy, you go to other store then.
Okay, well. Wait.
it's such a nice music.
Instead of chips, you can buy anything else from here.
I'll take a burger then.
Me too.
Okay. What do you want, Jasmine?
I need a ginger burger.
Okay, a Zinger burger. Hello, how can I help you today? I would like to order a Zinger burger.
And I would like a cheeseburger.
Okay, and for you, madam? I would like a Zinger fries, please. Okay, that's it for today. That's it. Any drinks, any cold drinks or stuff?
Mommy, I would like a Sprite.
Okay. Okay, you can have the Sprite.
I need a water.
Okay. So I'll be ready with your order in some time. So you can go sit. You can go
Who's
sit.
that baby crying? Feel
I
so
don't know.
bad.
It's from the game. That baby over there, she is crying because her mother didn't buy her what she wanted.
Yeah, so
So, Mom, you can sit there as I serve you food. Okay, thank you.
Mommy, I'm starving.
Just wait, they're gonna serve the food.
When are they gonna come anyways?
I don't know.
I need a lot of ice in my drink. A lot.
Okay, and I'm buying you strawberries.
Strawberry? But I want Sprite though.
Okay, fine, you can have Sprite.
Mommy, I need a soft serve.
What do you want?
Soft serve, vanilla.
Here's Sprite. And what do you want?
I need a soft serve. Ice cream.
Okay, I'll have an ice cream. Ma'am, your desserts are here. Your food will be here any second.
Oh, this tastes so good. I love Sprite.
I
Can you share
love,
with me?
Yeah.
I love this.
Okay, so let's have some food.
And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to
Bye bye.
bye bye.
Peace.
Peace.